How to fix Instagram, try again later, we restrict certain activity issue. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is stop all activity for 24 to 48 hours. No likes, no comments, no follows or unfollows, no stories, DMs, or logins from different devices. This might fix your issue. Next, clear cache for Instagram. So, close this. Press and hold on the Instagram app, select Remove App, click on Delete App, click Delete, then navigate to Play Store or App Store, search for the app Instagram, and then install it. This solution might work. If the solution didn't work out for you, report your problem. For that, launch your Instagram app, navigate to the profile page, head towards Settings and Activity page, scroll all the way down, click on the option Help, click on the option Report your problem, select Report Problem without shaking. Click on Don't Include and Continue, and here briefly explain about the issue and send it. Mention that you haven't violated any Instagram guidelines and send it. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you. So these are some fixes for Instagram. Try again later. We restrict search and activity issue. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.